Midrange 5G smartphones. Oneplus Nord will be a relatively more affordable Oneplus option in 2020 as compared to Oneplus 8 Pro and Oneplus 8. The handset will retain key Oneplus strengths including the smooth and fast Oxygenose interface and warp fast charging. Z will allegedly go official in July and it'll most likely to be the poster boy for Snapdragon 765 for the rest of the year. Nokia 8.35G is the first Nokia phone with 5G connectivity and could very well be the first Snapdragon 765G phone to launch in the US. The sizable screen measures 6.81 inches and there's a 4500 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support. Redmi K35G is the first phone to debut with the Snapdragon 765G chipset. It's also the first phone to employ 64MP Sony's IMX686 sensor. The Moto Edge sports a curved edge design, Snapdragon 765, 5G, and a decent spec sheet. The display is a 6.7-inch panel with a 90Hz refresh rate. Onto the left corner lies a 25MP camera inside a punch hole cutout. Nubia Play 5G is a gaming phone with a 144Hz refresh rate screen. It's powered by Snapdragon 765G backed by up to 8GB RAM, up to 256GB storage, and 5100 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging support. ZTE Axon XI 5G is quite an interesting phone, but it's currently limited to the Chinese market. We don't usually see curved edge AMOLED screens on mid-range phones, but Axon 11 does deliver one for a reasonable price of roughly $30K. It's also so much lighter and slimmer than most other 5G phones out there. LG Velvet is a slick, velvety phone that's powered by Snapdragon 765 octa-core chipsets. The LG Velvet is 5G ready, includes 3 rear cameras, and houses a 4300 mAh battery with fast charging and wireless charging support. It has an in-display fingerprint sensor and retains the 3.5mm audio jack.